Hello everyone. Hello everyone. I want to show you how you execute a trade. I'm gonna show you this is what happened on March 20 on Friday. So go back to that time frame when the market opened. The market opened. This candles right here. Let me show you on the trend line. 8:30 is right here. This is the candle that market opened right here. So look like it's black. So sorry about the phone. So I usually wait for 15 minutes for 8:45 candle. This is 1 minute time frame. 5 micro. I'm gonna use the contract for 5 micro for this one. Actually half of the one contract from the NASDAQ. So when this candle form right here, I go ahead and mark because I want to see what direction of the market will do. I usually mark them with the orange color and gonna let it see out how the market will give a direction on the upside or the downside. Also use the NAEMA to kind of help with the direction, but don't rely on just only indicator. Rely on your knowledge that and how the market reacts. So in this video, I'm gonna show you that supply zone and support zone. When we visit, we test, and then we go ahead and execute our trade. Let's see what they give us. So the next candle break right here. They break the line that we from the candle from the 45 minute. They break down. So, and let's see the next one. Okay. So now they show the green candle between here and here. I see let me move this back a little bit, fair value gap. So I usually draw the fair value gap right here. And then what we want to do, we want to see the next candle, what direction they're gonna go. What we want them to do, we want them to revisit this line and close it and have the confirmed candle to come down before we execute. So let's play it out. Okay. We got the candle revisit right here and then confirm candle we want to see. Now it looks like to me that you can wait for a little bit, but look like to me that they want to come to the downside. I go ahead. It's gonna take short, make decision to sell this one. Like about 2. You can put a sub lot like about right here. Make sure ratio is just between 2 to 1. Go ahead and gonna hit sell because we want to take short, take the profit. In this case, I want to put the stop lot at 429 for the loss, and if we take the profit, we will take 717 and 70 cents. Let's pay it out. Let's see that we win or lose this trade. Black candle coming down our way, and then okay, hit our target, so we win 700 in this trade. All right, see you guys in the next video. Thank you everyone.